Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? What is your name? My name is Layla. What is your name? My name is Layla. What is your name? My name is Layla. Where are you from? I am from Cairo. Where are you from? I am from Cairo. Where are you from? I am from Cairo. How old are you? I am 20 years old. How old are you? I am 20 years old. How old are you? I am 20 years old. What do you do? I am a student. What do you do? I am a student. What do you do? I am a student. How much is this? It is $10. How much is this? It is $10. How much is this? It is $10. Can I pay by card? Yes, you can. Can I pay by card? Yes, you can. Can I pay by card? Yes, you can. Do you have change? Yes, I do. Do you have change? Yes, I do. Do you have change? Yes, I do. I would like to order a pizza. Sure, one pizza coming up. I would like to order a pizza. Sure, one pizza coming up. I would like to order a pizza. Sure, one pizza coming up. Can I have some water, please? Yes, here you go. Can I have some water, please? Yes, here you go. Can I have some water, please? Yes, here you go. The food is delicious. Thank you. The food is delicious. Thank you. The food is delicious. Thank you. Can I have the bill, please? Of course, here it is. Can I have the bill, please? Of course, here it is. Can I have the bill, please? Of course, here it is. Excuse me, where is the bathroom? It's over there. Excuse me, where is the bathroom? It's over there. Excuse me, where is the bathroom? It's over there. Is it far? No, it's close. Is it far? No, it's close. Is it far? No, it's close. Help! I'll help you. Help! I'll help you. Help! I'll help you. Can you help me? Yes, I can. Can you help me? Yes, I can. Can you help me? Yes, I can. Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? What is your name? My name is Layla. What is your name? My name is Layla. What is your name? My name is Layla. Where are you from? I am from Cairo. Where are you from? I am from Cairo. Where are you from? I am from Cairo. How old are you? I am 20 years old. How old are you? I am 20 years old. How old are you? I am 20 years old. What do you do? I am a student. What do you do? I am a student. What do you do? I am a student. How much is this? It is $10. How much is this? It is $10. How much is this? It is $10. Can I pay by card? Yes, you can. Can I pay by card? Yes, you can. Can I pay by card? Yes, you can. Do you have change? Yes, I do. Do you have change? Yes, I do. Do you have change? Yes, I do. I would like to order a pizza. Sure, one pizza coming up. I would like to order a pizza. Sure, one pizza coming up. I would like to order a pizza. Sure, one pizza coming up. Can I have some water, please? Yes, here you go. Can I have some water, please? Yes, here you go. Can I have some water, please? Yes, here you go. The food is delicious. Thank you. The food is delicious. Thank you. The food is delicious. Thank you. Can I have the bill, please? Of course, here it is. Can I have the bill, please? Of course, here it is. Can I have the bill, please? Of course, here it is. Excuse me, where is the bathroom? It's over there. Excuse me, where is the bathroom? It's over there. Excuse me, where is the bathroom? It's over there. Is it far? No, it's close. Is it far? No, it's close. Is it far? No, it's close. Help. I'll help you. Help. I'll help you. Help. I'll help you. Can you help me? Yes, I can. Can you help me? Yes, I can. Can you help me? Yes, I can.